Hello Chef, today I got some boneless skinless chicken breasts. Here we go, we're going to clean these babies up. I'm using the Kasumi titanium knife because it's non-stick, it's quick, it's easy, I like it. So what I'm going to do is remove the, well first of all get this out of the way, remove the silver skin and any fat from the chicken breasts, clean them up as nice as I can. And I'm going to show you the next step's going to be a quick marinade. By the way, I'm not throwing away my scraps. They're going in the freezer. Perfect for chicken stock. Okay, moving along here now. All the chicken's been cleaned. I got this plastic bag. I believe in recycling. This bag has been recycled. Here we go. We're going to put 2 pieces of chicken in the bag right here. And we're going to use our stainless steel meat pounder. I want to show you just how easy it is. I'm using almost no effort, minimal effort at best. That's it. I'm done. So these chickens now are beautiful. Yeah. And I put them in a pan. Just like that. Okay. I line them up. You can do the same thing. Get the pounder and get a butcher block. You gotta have the butcher block. I'll be back. Yeah, there we go. So now all that chicken is ready to go. You know the next step, right? Of course, the next step's to season this chicken. First thing, sea salt. You gotta have sea salt. Okay, next thing, pepper. You gotta have some pepper. Smoked paprika. Oh, yeah, that's gonna be good. Hello, Chef here, working with fresh chicken today. These are boneless, skinless chicken breasts, really big ones, nice, fat, juicy. I like it. Before I get into the chicken, I want to do a product review. So we got some really cool stuff here from the sponsor. This is one of them. This is handmade in Italy. Open this box, really cool little box here. Wow, a stainless steel meat pounder. This baby has about a 5-inch handle, solid hardwood. Weighs about 2 pounds. Solid stainless steel disc. Really cool. I like it. Perfect for beating your meat. Watch the next video. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day.